All right, hello everyone. This is Pablo again with Crafties915. It's been a while since we've done a video, so in today's video, I want to show you how to do multiple images on your working area in GreatCut 4. So that's from a question that one of our subscribers had. So if you want to learn how to do that, stick around. Okay, so I'm on GreatCut 4. I have my working area at my default, which is a 14 by 14 working area. I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to click on working area and change my working area to a letter size portrait. So when I do that, I'm working on a letter size sheet. That's the one that I'm going to be using to make stickers later on in another video. But for now, I'm going to show you how to stack or copy and paste the same image different times on the same sheet. So I'm going to go to File, Import, and I'm importing this image for my friends in this band called The Field here in El Paso, Texas. And as you can see, this image is way too big for my letter size working area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to resize it. And here's my horizontal, my width and my height. So I'm going to change that width to 3 inches. So that's going to be a 3-inch sticker. And I'm going to place it somewhere around here. Now, the reason that I'm placing it here and not at the edge is because you got to allow a 1/4 inch margin all around for your printer to be able to print. If you don't have a photographic printer, I do, but most of you don't have a photographic printer. You have a regular printer. You need to allow that 1/4 inch margin all around. And so I place my image here. Now what I'm going to do is let me move it up here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this image. So I go to Edit, Copy, then I'm going to paste, Edit, Paste, and you see that it gives you this little corner and it says Insert. And that little corner is this bottom corner of the image. So whenever you place it, let's say for example I place it here, it's going to be kind of stacked with the other ones, so you would have to move it. So I'm going to do that several times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's okay. I'll do 5 of them. Now notice that they're not the same distance in between these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all. Okay, and I'm going to go to Design and Align. Click on Align, and I'm going to align it vertically on the middle. So that means that it's going to align every single one of those right, in the middle of the image. Okay, so now that I have my 5 stickers aligned, I'm going to select all of them again, and I'm going to have the same distance in between each image, each sticker, by going to Design, Align, and I'm going to align them same distance vertically. Okay, so I'm going to select that and OK. And now these are all the same distance in between. Okay, if you want to see that again, let me do a more drastic change right there. So I select all of them. I go to Design, Align, click on Same Distance Vertical, Click OK, and now it's going to align them same distance here. Now, I have enough room to print another 5, so that's what I will do. So now that I have all of them selected, I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste. And there we go. So 10 stickers for my friends at the field. And so if you wanted to learn how to do stacked images or copies of the same image on one sheet, there you go. That's how you do it. This is in reply to a subscriber that wanted to learn how to stack the same image or copy the same image at different times. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning something new today with GreatCut 4. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment. If you subscribe, I would be more than grateful for subscribing. So thank you very much, and happy crafting.